Alright, good evening. So, it's time. I probably have a little bit more tread that I could go with, but you can see that wear bar is pretty much, it's right there, it's flush. So it's time. I could maybe squeeze a little bit, but at what cost? I don't know. So, we're gonna put a new one on. Or at least take this rim off, which I have yet to find. I found videos on YouTube of removing rims, but not for specifically the Supersport, as if there's really much difference. There's really not, but the only thing that's usually different would be the socket size. So I'll go over the socket I bought. So without further ado, let's get her done. Alright, so something to note is that it wants you to remove more or less the two cans. It looks like the little cheesy aluminum covers that are over the top, and then possibly baffles, or I'm not quite sure what they are, and some kind of brackets. So we'll go ahead and do those. Alright, in case you don't know how these weird little clips work, they're fairly simple. Just pull one side over there and then it quite easily comes out, but you can notice that that little lip there goes inside one of the holes inside the rim. So you can see how there's holes in the rim there, which seems kind of cheesy when you pull it off, which is why I think some of the videos show you zip tying them down just for extra security. So what I did was I measured with this piece of crap wannabe caliper the kind of inside thread diameters, and then I went to the auto parts store and kind of tried to match it up. So 56 millimeters pretty much brought me to a 2 1/8 socket, and I'll say that does not fit perfectly by any means. It does go on there, but it is going to take a little bit of hammering to get it to seat all the way and well. I mean, that's seating okay like that, but I mean it's a very tight fit. Kind of cheesy way to do it there, but it's grabbing all the way on. I just want to make sure that I don't strip the damn thing out, obviously. Well, here we go. Definitely wasn't perfect, but we didn't mar it up. So that's good. No marring. So the socket worked. That would be 2 1/8, but like I said, I would maybe do a little bit more research to find out. It is obviously metric. It's a freaking European bike, but so 4 millimeters. Take these off. I don't see Loctite on these, but I'll probably put Loctite on them when I put them back on. Alright, after those two bolts in the front, there's also in the back here an additional 2 per. I'm assuming the little cheesy toolkit probably has a little 4 millimeter in it so that you can do this, but you don't want to be scraping your rim. And if you don't have an air impact, putting it in gear or loosening this prior to putting it on stand would have been a better idea. It's pretty cheesy. Little canister there. So you know this one's quite a bitch to get at. Don't mind all this crazy whiz bang to get a freaking stupid ass. Probably some special Ducati hex key that fits in here just right, and it's probably in the trunk here. I'm too damn lazy to go figure it out. Ah, that was super fun. Wow, those really don't want to come off. No mufflers. Alright. So for the rim, you're gonna have the actual nut. Ooh. A washer, or a shim maybe. And then looks like some form of like a wedge. Washer kind of shim, there.